Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck problem on iPhone. Not being able to back up WhatsApp can be really annoying, as you want to go and do this in case you go and lose your phone or something else happens and you can go and recover it. So we've got some different fixes. You can try and make sure you watch this full video. So first of all, we're going to try simply restarting WhatsApp. This can often solve the problem. Swipe up on it from the bottom and then you can go and fully close it by swiping up on it again and again. Then what you can do is go and open it up, and we can then come back to the settings, come to chat backup and try backing it up again, see if it's solved. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is put performing a restart on the iPhone. To do that, you can press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the side power button. Shortly the phone screen will go black and then you should see the Apple icon. At that point, release and your phone will go and start again. After you form the restart, go back to WhatsApp. You can come back to the backup page and try doing a backup and see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming out of WhatsApp. Now come back to the main page on your iPhone and open up your settings. What we need to do is make sure there's enough space in iCloud. If there isn't, that could be why it's not working. So you can tap your account at the top, go down and press iCloud. You can see here there may not be enough space. You can always go and upgrade to get more, or you can go and delete some data from iCloud to free up more space to see if you can then do the backup. And last of all, make sure you're connected to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi network. If possible, you can try and connect to somebody as you know to go and do it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.